Okay, we're ready to go. Okay. Can you make sure your bodies are pointing up here so you can see our number rack? We're going to work with the number rack today. We're not going to take our number rack out yet because first you're going to use your hands. So, let's see. I know you guys are so good with this number rack, so let's just start with an easy one. Show me on your fingers how many beads I have. 5. That's an
easy one.
That's an
Give
easy
us a
one.
harder one.
Give you a harder one? Okay, let me think.
All of them are 20, so.
Okay. No peeking.
You just can see.
Okay, show me quick. How many?
I saw.
Oh, sorry, Kenny.
Super good. I saw. Wow.
But how did you know it was 7?
I know
What
because
strategies?
I saw.
What strategies does your brain think about when you look at these beads? Darren, what strategies does your brain think about when you look at the beads?
Because when I saw red, and you add 2 more white, makes 7.
Right, and how many red do we know are there all the time? 5. So you say in your brain, you say, I know that there's 5 reds. I just need to add 2 more. I like that strategy. Nice job. Let's try it with another number, and I can ask another friend for some strategies. You okay? Is that from your mouth?
It's bleeding.
It's okay. Go get a tissue and hold it on your mouth.
Was
You're
it
okay.
tooth?
But
Is it
wash your hands.
Wait.
Penny.
Is it from the
Okay, let's try this one.
Yeah, my tooth in the back.
It's okay, guys. She's okay.
Did your tooth come out?
Oh, I see Rain showing me with her fingers how many we have up here. Who else can show me? Was that another
It's
easy one for you guys?
Yeah.
Well, let's think about why is it so easy.
We need like all of this.
Okay, let's think about why is it so easy. Andrea, what strategies does your brain think about to know that this is 10?
When I do my strategies, I look at one side and see it's 5.
Okay.
And the other side to see how many more it is.
And how many did you find on this side?
0.
So you saw that there was 5 reds and 5 whites, and there was nothing on that side. So you knew it just had to be 10? I like that strategy. What if I was to take one away? Eli, what strategies does your brain think about?
The 5 and the 4 it makes 9.
Oh.
Because you take the 5 away,
Right.
and then it's 4. So it makes 9.
Right, so your brain said 5 plus 4 equals 9. I like that. Good nice job, Eli.
5.
Do you think it's a good idea for me to make 10 like this?
No.
Why not? Why isn't that the best strategy that I could use? Why not? Why not?
Because it's just a little 3.
Right. That didn't make sense. But if I kept going all the way until 10, is there a better way that I could make 10 instead of moving every single bead one by one?
Yeah.
What do you think, Darren?
You could do a 5 on the bottom, a 4 on the bottom, and then
Yep, I could make a 4 on the bottom. But if I was just using my top beads and I moved them all one by one, does this take me a long time or a short time to
you
get
could
to
do
10?
2 on that side, 2 on that side, and then keep going. It's
Right.
Different numbers.
But does this take me a long time or a short time to make 10?
Long.
Long time. So am I being productive with my time? Is this a good choice or should I try something else?
Try something else.
Maybe I should try something else. So that's what I want you guys to do today when you're working on your number rack. I want you guys to try your hardest to do 2 to 3 pushes. So that means if I'm making 10, I could do 1 push, 2 push with
Or
all
you
my
could just
beads
do
to make
one.
10.
You could just do 1 push and all together.
Right? Or I could say, I know that this line equals 10. I'm going to make 10 right away. And that's so much faster than doing them one by one by one. Or you could do, so if I was going to make 8, if I did 2 pushes to make 8, how many beads could I do in those 2 pushes?
You could make 4.
Addison, thank you for raising your hand. What do you think?
You could do 5 and then 3.
Oh, and why do you think that is the best way that we could do it?
Because 5 plus 3 equals 8 and it's half.
Exactly. We know that this is 5, and to make 8, we just needed 3 more. That's absolutely right. So we want to think about how we can make these big numbers and how we can push the numbers in our number rack. So now you may get out your number racks, and I'm going to test you on some numbers. Test you. Maybe I can make it a little tricky. We'll see.
Where's my number rack?
I love how Darren set his number rack right on the table and is put all his beads to the left side. Nice job. Tell me if this is in your way. Okay. With your number rack, can you make 9? You can use the top row or you can use both rows. Show me how you would like to make 9.
Just 9 away.
And then show me on your table. I can see your number racks from your table, so it's okay to leave them on your table. Okay? So I can see it on your table, so it's okay. You don't need to hold it up. And I'll be walking around to make 9. Nice job. Good. Nice. Oh, I see lots of us have some different ideas. Andrea, can you flip it over so I can see? Nice job. Perfect. Okay. Yes. I chose to make 9 like this.
I did that! I did that!
Is it okay if you made 9 in a different way than I did?
Yeah.
Yes. There's lots of different ways that we can make these numbers. I used a 5 and a 4. So I pushed over 5 and then I pushed over 4. I did it in 2 pushes.
I did that too.
So with our next one, I want you guys to try to use 2 or 3 pushes to make this number. I would like you to make 7.
7. That is so easy. I could just use that. I could use 9 and just push back. I only did
Oh,
1
good thought.
6 plus 1. I only did 1 push. It was so easy.
Yes. Yes, nice. And then flip it the other way? Perfect. And then when we do it, and we want to use our red beads. So white beads stay on this side, and we want to use red beads. Alex is doing such a great job keeping his number rack nice and quiet on the table. Thank you, Alex. Okay. Who was able to do that in 2 or 3 pushes? Or maybe even 1?
I did 1. I did 2.
Nice job. Rain had a really good thought about how you made 7. Can you share with us how you made 7?
How I made 7 is I used 9 and take back 2 to make 7.
So we already had 9 over here. You had it like that, Rain? Rain knew that this equals 9. And if we take away 2, we can make 7 that way. And that only makes us use 1 push. Nice job, Rain. I like how you thought about that.
That's what I did.
I made 7. 7. I messed it up, but I did make 7. Okay.
I did that. That's crazy. I did that too. She was so
Okay.
I did that too. We did something.
Now we're gonna do a little bit of a game. Would you like to participate in that game with me?
Yeah.
All right.
Is it going to get rid of another good game?
No, this one is not a workplace game. It's just a game for us to play.
Yes.
I am going to call this game Flash Attack. So I'm going to flash you a number really fast, and I want you guys to be little scientists and create this number. Okay? So I'm going to create my number.
Hey, I can see all the pictures.
Oh, no. Okay, are you ready? I'm going to flash my number. Can everyone see? Can you see my number?
Yeah. I could see it.
I'm gonna flash it. I'm gonna count down from 5. When I get to 0, I'm gonna hide it. Are you ready?
Yeah. That was easy. 6. Easy. Give us a good one.
Look at yours one more time.
10. Oh, 20. It's only 20.
And then we use these pens. We like to keep all the ones on the side, and we want to use the red.
If it was 20,
Okay. Nice.
you would say.
Good or poor? Nice job. I see you guys got this one. Everybody, what number did I make? 6. You are
Who
close.
said
You had
5?
it good the
I
first time.
did.
That's okay. Let's take a peek. Were we correct? Were you able to push your numbers in 2 to 3 pushes? Okay, that was an easy one.
Yeah, give us a harder number. Give us 10 or 20.
Let's see. I see your wandering eyes over there.
I can see it, but whatever we're doing.
Okay. Show me your number record ready by putting it on your desk. Ready? Okay. I'll show you when it's quiet. Flash attack.
I did it already. Me too. The stuck on the magic wizard.
When you're really good at math, we like to call that mathematician. Can you say, I'm a mathematician? That's a hard word. Okay.
I'm a mathematician. Eli is 10.
If you know what it is, Sammy, if you know what it is, keep that thought in your brain. Because that will not help everybody learn. Let's see if you were correct. And what number did I create?
10.
Let's count it together. We know that this set of red beads is how many? 5. So we can say 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we made 10.
I tend to flip my board in that game. I was thinking of
Sammy,
the 10.
keep it in your brain. Thank you.
Make a bubble if you
If I look at this, how did I know that it was 10? Who can tell me what their brain thought about? How did you know that it was 10? Penny, how did you know that this is 10?
I just guessed
You
it.
just guessed it? Okay. Great, how did you know this was 10?
I know that.
It's a known fact. So what did you look at the beads?
I was just how it was a known fact, but I counted the beads how to. I was like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
So you counted all the beads to know how many we had?
And it was a known fact.
Okay. Andrea, what strategy did your brain
I was
use?
just making
Okay, thank you.
So when I did it, I thought 7, but I didn't see the bottom, so I guess you might make 10. So then I stuck the 3 on the bottom, on the top, and then I made 3 on the bottom.
Okay, how did you know that this was 7 so quickly?
I knew because it had 10 and 2, which makes 7.
With 5 and 2 makes 7. So you knew that there was 7 there because you knew that this equals 5 and this equals 2. I like that thought, Andrea. I hear you guys. I'll get you in my notes. Okay. So we know how to make numbers up to 10, right?
I saw.
But what about this number?
I could see it. I could see it. It's 10. It's probably 10.
Ready? This one's gonna be fast.
Wow.
Oh, so hard. Why is it so easy? Why?
I knew it was that low. I was just trying to find people.
Okay, everybody, how many did I have?
20.
Kenzie, thank you for sitting so nice and quietly in your desk. I love that. You guys are so right. I made 20. So how many beads do we have all together on the number? But what if I took some away?
4.
Show me on your number rack. How many do I have now? Show me on your number rack. Not with your words. Show me with your number rack. You got it. You got it. And then when we do our numbers, we want to start with our red. So you want to hold it this way, and then we would say 15 this way with our red beads first.
It was 50.
Okay, I have another. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Show me that you're ready with your number rack on your table.
I'll
Sammy,
put
I
that
hear your number rack. Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
Flash attack!
I knew it.
That was a fast one.
What is it?
Good.
I knew it because I
Good. That's okay. That's okay. That was a fast one. We need to look again. You have a question? What's your question?
When I sat 9,
Good. I like how you noticed that. Okay, everybody, how many did I create? So you guys knew that it was 15 so quick and easily. How did you know that it was 16 so quick? Weston, how did you know? Sammy. Weston's trying to tell us right now, but I can't hear him because you're talking.
I knew it. 10 plus 5 plus 1 equals 16.
Right. So you counted by 5s to get up to 16? I love that. Because our number of beads does not change. We always know that there's 5, 5, and 5 with these colors, so we just needed to add our 1 extra. Nice job. So when we are using our adding strategies, we want to pay attention to the colors of our beads. Rain, is it a good idea to pay attention to the colors of our beads? Yes, thank you. Okay.
White is on the right.
Let's see if I can make another one.
So, how do you work like?
one more flash attack for you. Are you ready?
I made it.
Flash attack!
I did it. I got it.
Show me with your number rack, not with your voice. Sammy, show me with your number rack.
It's 20. It's not 20.
Nice.
And this dragon. Everybody did it.
And let's see who can help me out to find what we made. Flynn, what did I make? Hey, yellow table. We're not being respectful to Flynn. We made, yes, you're right. Wow. Flynn, how many pushes did you use to make 12? So how many pushes did you use to make it?
I knew it.
Sammy, I can't hear Flynn because you're yelling. You pushed over the 10?
Yeah, I pushed 10.
So how many pushes did you use altogether?
2.
2. So you said, I know this is 10. And you just needed 2 more. That's a perfect way to do that. All right. You guys did a really good job finding your number combinations and helping me do little pushes with our beads today. We are going to do workplaces today. We do not have any new ones, so we do not have to cross them out. But please put your number racks away and get out your